And we're going to see how it helps us with lesson 4.1 on page 108 in your book, Expressions and Equations. So I'm going to take a look at the first mystery number, and we're going to say whenever we see there was a number and we don't know what the number is, we're just going to say let n equal a number. And when we do that, that's what's known as a variable. We don't know what the number is, so we just define it as n. Okay, so let's keep going. And that number was doubled. So what we do is with our variable, we multiply it by 2. And to do that, it's as simple as just doing 2n. That is called an expression. Or, as you see in your book, an algebraic expression. So when we multiply a number or add to the variable, we use variables in an expression. We call it an algebraic expression. Let's see what else happened to our mystery number. 3 was added to it, so we're going to add 3 to it. This is still an expression. See if we can get my sticky notes back here. This is still an algebraic expression. And it became 13. Our algebraic expression is now going to turn into an equation because we're going to say it equals 13. Put a little space in there. So my algebraic expression, because I have an equal sign, just turned into an equation. So how does this help us solve the mystery number? Well, if we can evaluate, if we can come up with a value for n and solve this equation, then we have a solution. So what we did yesterday was we realized that 2 times 5 plus 3 equals 13. So now what we've done, this is still an equation up here. Let me see if I can get a new sticky note. What we've done here is we evaluated. The expression. Evaluate the expression means that we put a value in for the variable. Instead of n, we have the value of 5. Let's see what would have happened if we would have put a different value in. Let's say, for example, we put in 6. Does this make a true statement? 2 times 6 is 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 does not equal 13, so that's not a solution. The solution is n equals 5, because that makes that a true statement. This is not a solution. N cannot equal 6. Okay, let's try another one. Let's go to the next one and see what that one's going to look like. Okay, there was a number, so we say let n equal a number. It was multiplied by 4, so we just write 4n. Ten was taken away, so we subtract 10. It became 30, so we write equals 30. If we can come up with a solution for n, a value for n, to make this a true statement, we've found a solution. And we found yesterday that 4 times 10 minus 10 equals 30. So again, this is the equation. The solution is n equals 10. And we evaluated this expression, and we used an equation. Let's try the next one. Five was added to a number, so we have to start with let n equal a number. And then we have to write an equation, or excuse me, an expression, n plus 5. It was cut in half, so this time we have to put parentheses and divide it by 2. It became 6. So that equals 6. Yesterday we came up with a solution of 7, so we evaluated the expression by putting 7 plus 5 divided by 2, and that equals 6.